Was on a train, and there was this guy, he was real buff. I'm an inner city kid, so as I go through this, know that my mind is swirling. Real buff, tattoos, do-rag. I'm in Baltimore. African American man, we on the train. He's sitting down, I'm standing up. Only reason I'm standing close to him is because there's nowhere to stand on the train. He starts looking at me like this. Now that might not translate to something. I'm like, Lord, I don't want to do this to you. I felt something based on how he was speaking to me without saying anything. You do know that our movement speaks. Come on, sons, how we walk away from our fathers, snatch us up if we're not careful. How we frown up when somebody says something. We don't even have to talk to somebody that knows that there's a problem. So anyways, he looked at me, he says these words, check it out. Now, he's got a do-rag on, tatted up, swole, and what I would call mad dog in me. And I happen to have some wristwear. One of them says, God is enough. And the other one says, because I said I would. He says, you be reading the scriptures, huh? I'm not lying to you, I can't make this up. You be reading the scriptures, huh? I'm like, yeah, a little bit. I don't know where this conversation's going. He says, yeah, man, locked up for 3 years, wasn't nothing but God that got me.
All right.
He said, thank you for wearing those wristbands. It reminded me, because I'm going through a little bit right now. I don't know. Swole.
Yes, sir.
Do-rag. Tattoos. And he affirmed me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I told him, I said, you want it? Because when someone affirms you, you gotta give them back something.
Amen.
I took the wristband off. I had a second one, praise the Lord. Somebody gave it to me. I had to give it to someone else. So now he walks with the wristwear that I gave him. I walk with the affirmation that he gave me.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah.
Rebecca.
Yeah.
That can happen today. I'll never be swole, tattoos, do-rag, real men, seed planter. He changed my life. Crazy how it happened. That potential is in the room today, because somebody's going to look at you. Do-rag, swole, tattoos, curly hair, tight clothes, loose clothes, big, small, gray, black, white, Mexican, Latino. I know it's probably the same thing, but whatever. You know, an Asian, black, white. What happens when we do that for each other? The world changes, gentlemen.